Now let's graph some ellipses centered at the origin. So we're going to use the standard forms. The equations of an ellipse determine the major axes, vertices, co-vertices, and foci. So the equations in the form x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1, where a is bigger than b, then the major axis is the x-axis. Come on. Highlighter, please. It's not highlighting. Sorry about that. This is what I wanted. The coordinates of the vertices are in plus or minus a comma 0. The coordinates of the co-vertices are plus 0 comma plus or minus b, and the coordinates of the foci are plus or minus c 0. If, however, it's x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared equals 1, and again, a is bigger than b, major axis is the y-axis. Coordinates of the vertices are 0 plus or minus a, and the co-vertices plus or minus b comma 0, and the foci are 0 plus or minus c. Solve for c using the equation c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Plot the center, vertices, co-vertices, and foci in the coordinate plane and draw a smooth curve to form the ellipse. Mine won't be that smooth, so we'll do the best we can. Okay, so in this case, obviously it's, y has the 25 there, so that means that's going to be major axis is vertical. So our a squared is 25, so a must be 5. B squared is 3, so b squared is 9, excuse me, so b is 3. So what we know here is, can I drag this up a little bit? Can I drag this down a little bit? Okay, good. Okay, so we're going to be going up 5, 1, 2. So the center, this is centered at the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be there. Down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. To the left 3, 1, 2, 3. And our foci, so c squared is a squared minus b squared. So that's going to be 25 minus 9 is 16. So c is going to be 4. So we go up 4. I'm going to change colors for that. And down 4 for our c. And then we can plot a nice curve. There you go. And for number 4, graph the ellipse given by the equation 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 100. So rewrite the equation in standard form, then identify what we need to identify. So we have 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 100. So we can divide everything by 100 because it should equal 1. And that's going to give us x squared over 25 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. So our a squared is 25. So a must be 5. And obviously it's going to open horizontally, not open, it's going to be stretched horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our b squared is 4, so b must be 2. So go up 2, down 2. And then our foci, c squared is 25 minus 4. So c squared is 21. So c is the square root of 21. And the square root of 21, let me get my fun-filled calculator out. Looking at the approximation of 21 is obviously going to be closer, square root of 21 closer to the square root of 25, but boot up, boot up, boot up, come on. Square root of 21. 4.58. Okay, so 4.58, I'll do those in red. Be right about there and there. And we draw our fun-filled curve. That's it. Okay, the next video is going to be graphing when it's not at the origin.